Hello, this is Keith All, and today's tutorial again will be on ClickFunnels and how you can actually set the size of a form button. Again, I just want to preface that um, this is being recorded in 2018 in the month of August, and if you view this sometime in the future and the interface has changed, just remember the concepts are the same. So I'm going to jump over to my ClickFunnels account and I'll show you how we can set the size of a form button. So here we are, and what we're going to do is we're going to set the size of this button, which is an element within this section and within this particular row. As you can see, it appears that this button is smaller than these elements here in terms of its width. So there's actually a few ways that we could change the size of it to actually match the size of the other elements above it. So in order to edit something, we could click on the element is one way. And over here on the right, it gives us a number of options. So if I want to change the size of this element, we could do so by adding more text that appears on this button. So I'm going to click over here under button text, and I'm just going to randomly type in characters. And as I do that, watch what happens to the size of the button. Just a second. See, it grows in size as I add a text to it. Now, that's one way that you can change the size of it. However, the other practical way to do it, let me erase all this text, and let's go under the advanced option right above here in the upper right corner and click on advanced. And as you can see, there's an option here called button width. Right now it's set to fluid, and what fluid means is it's the size or the width of the button will only be as great as the amount of text that appears inside of that button or on that button. If I wanted to change it to full width, watch what happens when I select fill width. As you can see, it grows in size and it matches the other element right above it. So that is how you can set the size of a button on top of a form. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you today. Again, come back often. I'm going to be creating a lot more tutorials on how to use ClickFunnels. And again, we'll have more advanced tutorials later on. But for now, I'm teaching you as I learn it. So again, thank you for stopping by. Come back often, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.